Today I will show you how to add a bank account on your Kraken account. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Kraken account. If you do not have one, please look in the description below and you can find the link to Kraken and register for a Kraken account. To add a bank account to our Kraken account, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the far right where we see the icon that displays our display image. We're going to click on that and we can see that it has a section for payments methods. So we're going to click on payment methods. Now on the payment method, what we're going to do is we're going to go to deposit methods and then we're going to click on add deposit method here. Now here we have two options. We have the option to add a bank account and we have the option for a PayPal account. Now it says connect up to 3 bank accounts and 1 PayPal account. So you have the option to connect 3 bank accounts. So we're going to click on this option. It's going to connect us to Plaid. Now Plaid is more of a middleman between Kraken and your bank accounts, and it allows them to speak to each other. So we're going to click on connect bank account. And as you can see, it says Kraken uses Plaid to connect to your account. We're going to click on continue. And here you're going to input your phone number and register for Plaid if you're a new user. But you can also choose to continue as guests. And here you're going to look for your bank. You're going to choose the bank and it's going to ask you for a captcha. You're going to verify that you're human. And from there, it's going to lead you to where you can log into your Chase account and then connect your Kraken account to your bank account. Now that's how to add bank accounts on Kraken. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.